Hi, I'm Kathy Burris and I'm Mud Puppy Potteryworks. I'm the sole potter and shipper, receiver, everything involved with making this pottery.
And what types of items do you make?
Well, I do mainly functional ware, dinnerware, serving pieces, cups and bowls, and bottles. Most everything I do is actually functional for serving a purpose of food or drink.
And how long have you been doing this?
I've been doing it for about 5 years now. I was inspired by a really awesome potter when I took a class at MCC, our local community college, and that was in 1990, and from that class onward, all I can think about was getting myself a wheel and a kiln and just diving into it.
How do you get the different colors?
These are all custom glazes that I make myself at home, and it's taken me quite a few years to develop the colors that I'm using. And what I try to focus on is I like my pottery, even though it's oxidized pottery or electric fired, I go for I like my pottery to look like more wood fired look. It's not wood fired, but you kind of get that feel from it just because of the earth tones and the iron glazes.
Like a sponge holder.
I laugh when you say sponge holder, and I laugh every time I hear it because this is probably the most simple little thing that I make. It's the easiest thing I make, and I sell so many of these things I can't make them fast enough. So I'm not the only potter to make sponge holders. I see a lot of other potters doing it, and now I know why. They're very popular. Little dipping bowls that I make to go with my oil bottles, and people like to use them to dip in the oil or other sauces. And some people use them for pinch bowls that they would have salt in at the stove.
Okay. And I noticed that you do butter bells. Can you describe a butter bell?
I can. Butter bells, I researched this because I actually had people asking me if I made them. I didn't know what they were, so I Googled it and found out that butter bells have been around for hundreds of years, and in Europe they're very popular to this day. I see that they're showing up again in some of the cookware stores, and you fill it with butter and you fill the bottom with salt, and when you put the top in, it makes a seal so no bacteria or no air can get to your butter, so you're able to keep it on your counter for weeks, and it stays nice and fresh and always spreadable.
Wow.
And even in Arizona, the butter stays fresh amazingly.
And there's salt in the bottom?
Just a little pinch of salt in the water.
Yeah, oh, in water.
In the water,
Okay.
yeah.
So a little bit of water and a pinch of salt. Your favorite item to make?
I like making mugs. Mugs is another popular item. People like to give them as gifts because a person can have their favorite mug on their desk at work or in their office. And I just like the feel of a mug in the hand with the big handle that you can fit your whole fist in. Just holding them.
Great. Well, thank you very much.
Thank you, John.